I wonder what's on Disney Minus today.
Oh boy, welcome to the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, fellas. It's me, your host, Mickey Mouse, and here's my sweet little dog, Pluto. Pluto's a sweet dog, not to be confused with a dirty ass.
Wait, what did Mickey say?
Yeah, you heard me, dirty ass.
He ain't talking to me.
Yeah, you, watching the TV. What are you, howeieazy ass?
How does he know my username?
Dirty dog ass, dirty boy, you'll die.
What in the Disney Minus the 6? I'm turning this off.
Are you trying to turn off the TV? You better watch yourself.
I'm about to come through that TV and slap you.
What? I'm calling the cops. Police. Mickey's trying to come through my TV.